Estes Design and Manufacturing. It's a sheet metal job shop. We have a lot of state-of-the-art technology, and it allows us to tailor the customer's parts to high-quality results, usually resulting in cheaper prices over traditional manufacturing. So that's our emphasis, and we also have a prototype shop. We had a Motoman robot back in the 90s, and then we upgraded to a Genesis robot, which is a cell robotic. It's automated fixtures, and then we recently got the Cobot, which opened up a whole new avenue of capabilities. So the challenges we faced were hiring the right people that had the skills for the job. Those were getting harder and harder to come by. So we decided to lease the Cobot to see if it solved the problems of trying to find the right people for the job. Our Cobot has a dual zone setup fixturing to where you can use the accessories to locate the part precisely where you want it on side A and side B. So while one side's running, we have a partition that lets you load the other part and not lose the downtime waiting for it to finish. So it's always in a cycle. So the improvements we've seen are the speed, the repeatability of the parts, and less rework. So we decided to get the Cobot for a specific job that was coming, and it was thin gauge material, and a lot of welders struggle burning through the thinner gauge. And with the Cobot, it prevents that by the weld settings being set, and then you can get the results that you want. So as far as training and the performance of the Cobot, we've been really impressed. Able to take operators in little as 15 minutes and get them up programming parts and running the machine. I've even had machine operators that run other machines that know nothing about welding come over and run the Cobot flawlessly. So that's been impressive. So fixturing for the Cobot, it comes with a table and modular fixturing that can be placed on different points of that table, and you can run parts with that, or you can actually make your own high-end machine fixtures that place the parts more accurately and then mount those to the table. So it's the best of both worlds in my opinion. Our experience with the Ready Art team and Airgas has been very nice. Group showed up to install the machine. The very next day we had a tech on site who trained me and showed me how to use the system. Within the app there's a chat, and you can talk to representatives really quickly and they'll answer your questions. So that was very nice. It's been a good experience all around, really. So if you're wondering about getting a BotX or not, I would highly recommend it. If your company has large volumes of parts and are having trouble finding qualified welders, then the BotX is for you.